Hi everybody, it's Creative Sarah coming to you with a fun box frame project with this adorable The Good Life transfer. So it comes with like 6 different transfers and I'm just cutting it up to use one of them that says The Good Life. So here we go. We're gonna fuzz it with our fuzzing cloth, and then I'm gonna grab some wax, surface wax, and I'm gonna just do a little waxing on the front of that wooden surface. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Go ahead and place our transfer down, and then I'm gonna grab the black velvet chalk paste and a mini squeegee. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my squeegee in, pull out some black, and just cover the silkscreen areas of my stencil. And it's super easy. Then I'm gonna peel and reveal. Eek! It looks so good. It says The Good Life. Now, we definitely need to do a little embellishing. So I'm gonna wrap around some jute and grab a little bit of greenery, cut off some little sprigs, and we're gonna go ahead and tie that on with our jute. And we're gonna make a cute little tiny decorative piece that can go in your tiered tray or on a bookshelf or whatever you want. Make sure to check out CreativeSarah.com for all sorts of ideas, how to